Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. And when I lock the device, you'll be able to see that I do have a fingerprint along with a pattern set on here. So I'm going to progress from here as though I wouldn't know it. Now to get started, you will want to hold the power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and the volume up at the same time. I'm gonna let go of the power key once I see the Mi logo. It looks like it's rebooting if you hold it for too long. Yep, so there we go. Once you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key and keep holding volume up. This will take you to the recovery mode, and in here we want to select wipe data. Now it looks like we need to use volume keys to navigate. Then press power key to confirm it. Then select wipe all data. Confirm. And there we go, data wipe successful. Back to main menu is already selected, so power key once again, and once again. And this will now take us back to Android. Now, before we can actually see the setup screen, it needs to finish up whatever it's doing in the background, which will take it about a minute or so just be patient. And once that is completed, we'll then be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the setup is now complete, or not the setup, the factory reset. So you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.